Now that we have created our focus groups, what we will do next is actually start our analysis. And the first analysis that we will be starting with is going to be our script analyzer. So what do you want to analyze is the first question that we see when we open the new analysis window and select the type of content for your focus group analysis. And get audience insights from any content without recruiting participants or scheduling sessions or waiting for 4 weeks for a focus group. Okay, so with Script Analyzer, you can either paste or upload your script to get audience reactions before production. So here we have select focus group, choose the audience segment to analyze your content. So as you remember, we had created one manual, which was marketing group, and then one AI focus group, where we generated that with a prompt. So I will be using the marketing to AI focus group, and here my personas are going to be visible for me to see. Now, if I don't want these people, I can always go to manage personas and change things around. But because everything's okay with that, I'll just go back and I'm okay with my personas. But if these are not enough, then I can always add a new persona in. But at the moment, everything seems fine. So we're going to go ahead and see here we've selected our content type, our select group, and now we will be uploading our script. Okay, so for uploading your script, what this means is to getting predicted reactions from any audience segment in 90 seconds. So we will know what these people will say and predict before they see this campaign. Okay, so we have select language, which we have at the moment English and Turkish, but I will be choosing English. And then if I want, I can generate a storyboard with my analysis too. But at the moment, I will be showing you how to upload your file, where you can paste your text if you want, but my files are ready, so I'll upload them. I choose to upload them. So you can drag and drop your script here or select your script. So I'm going to select my script. So here I have my script analysis, and I want to try 3 different variations to see how it will analyze my scripts and give me the best option for me to use. So I will just choose the number 1 here and upload my script onto the system. Now, I can select the category of what I want it to be, and because I'm thinking of using this campaign, my script, to shoot a reel, a shorts, a TikTok for my social media, I'm going to choose the shorts, reels or TikTok category so that I can actually use that. And then we have the advanced settings. So with the advanced settings, you can actually target platform, which you can select any platform on social media, but I'm not going to be selecting that. Target duration of how long you want it to be, the brand name for ads, and additional context and notes. And then we also have the deep analysis mode and a web research. But for now, I just want to go with the default settings. So I will press start analysis, and let's see how we are analyzing this script and how it will go. So at the moment, as you can see, it is analyzing our script. And if we want, we can go to manage personas or records to see what we are doing. And we don't have to stay on the page, which is very important. So we can just go to anything else that we would like to attend while we wait for the analysis to happen. So we've got our script received, passing content structure, and then personas evaluating script, and then compiling reactions and scores. So we will just be waiting for a while and see how these 10 AI personas actually tell us how our campaign, how our script is, and how we can use it and enhance it more for people to really see it, like it, watch it, and to see that our ad is actually targeted towards its right audience. Okay, so as we are waiting for the analysis to happen while it's in progress, let me tell you how this is very important for writing a script, because also we do have the storyboard feature, which is also very helpful for a production team to kind of upload their script see the comments they get from the personas, and then actually evaluate their script according to their target audience and what they want to do, which includes the Reels, you know, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or any ads, or even vertical dramas. And then what they can see is that their scenes are also created for them, so that they can have a visual eye. And if they don't have talent like me drawing, you know, stick figures, then it's a very important tool to use, especially I feel like in film production and video production in general. So it's a feature that was added thinking about this, which was quite nice to have. And also, one of the most important things about script analysis is, before you shoot a video for social media, even if it's a personal video that you would like to shoot, even if it's a reel, even if you're an influencer or a content creator that have just started out new, this is a very good thing to able to have, because it kind of tells you which hook is more important, and it evaluates how your video will perform according to that script, so that once you upload the video and once you don't know how people will react to it, now you have this, you know, bridge that holds you and tells you, okay, you know, my video has these good parts and these bad parts, and I need to improve on this point and double down on this point, so that you can create many videos as much as you will like using the script analyzer and using the script yourself, and then actually seeing that you don't have to spend that much time during the production process. And also because of the fact that, you know, the production process also kind of burns a lot of budget, and you don't have to spend that much time on your budget and that much time on spending that budget. So our script analysis is now complete for our e-commerce ad script, which was this is a version 1. So we will just go down and see our script analysis. So the overall score is 88. So this is for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. The hook potential here you can see on the screen, and it says a combination of direct comment, sudden visual movement, and the best hit creates a perfect pattern interrupt for social media scrolling. So as you can see, we have emotional impact, narrative clarity, production readiness, and we have the scores here. So according to these engagement scores, you can basically change your script around. Now the category fit is 95 out of 100, which is nice, and the viral potential is 75 out of 100, which is highly optimized, but of course, you know, they rely on paid reach too. So we have the category metrics. We have hook strength, scroll stopping power, shareability, and then trend relevance. So all of these are important parts when you're creating a script or a video or an image for a social media post, or even a normal ad on a TV. So the narrative and characters, which are the most important parts of this analysis tool. So we have the emotional arc, the roller coaster. So it tells you the peak moments and then the dead spots. And then we have the characters, the narrator, motivation, the arc, and of course, relatability to that topic. We have the dialogue quality, which is the memorable lines, the style, subtext, voice distinction, you know, anything you can ask for is everything inside Ruuwe, inside the analysis tool. And the dialogue deep dive, we have everything here, like the narrator, weak lines, strong lines, cliches that you might not want to use, you know. So everything here. And then we have the recommendations that are platform-specific adjustments for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, which were actually the things that we were targeting our script to be shooted for in the video. So let's come to the persona reactions. Now, this is one of the most important parts and features of Ruuwe itself, because the personas that we have created have reacted to our script. Okay, so we have Callum here. He's a student and a part-time reseller, and here he says that his hook reaction is 85%. His character ID 60, action intent 40, and share intent 30. So Callum said, that's a brick, mate, no profit there. If it's a 75% off, it's because nobody wanted to cop it at retail. So that's what kind of Callum said. Now, this is a little bit of the fun part too, I would say. And then we have Liam here, and Liam said good sales tip, definitely using this sense of urgency on the shop floor. We have Chloe. Chloe commented saying great breakdown of the sales psychology here. And we have Jamal and many other people commenting. And according to these comments, based on real people and real personas, you can adjust your script accordingly and your ad and your content accordingly. Okay, so let's go back to the analysis part now. And here we can also see the viral verdict. So we have the persona reactions one by one. So we saw the analysis of what people analyzed it by. And now when we go to the persona reactions, we can see one by one on what each person is saying. And we can there's a drop down menu. So you can kind of drop it down and see the attention action. We have a graph here, we have the metrics here, we have the score details, interest score, share, likelihood, completion probability, action trigger score. So all of these are very important feedbacks for your video, your script, your image. So detailed feedback, initial reaction, attention analysis, effectiveness, emotional journey, and all of these features that you see. And also it gives you improvement suggestion. So if you would like to improve your video, for example, it says the first 3 seconds used by 50,000 professionals or featured in Buy It Fast company. You know, these kind of improvement suggestions are very important. And then it gives you a final verdict. So every one of these 10 personas have all of these here that you can choose, select, and see from. And actually you can also download the report of these persona reactions.